Hi, I am Charan. I am a student of Bennett University and I finished my sixth semester, and as a part of my program, I have done my internship project. I am going to share my experience about my internship in FinTroop's FinTech Solutions. As a part of my internship, I worked on a project movie reviews web application. It is a team project and I worked as a front-end developer for this internship project. It is a good learning experience and I think this internship will be a good use for me in my future works. Now we will discuss about the project I have done in detail. So this is the PPT presentation of the project we have done for demonstration. You can see it's about the movie reviews website. This is a team project. This is myself Charan Verma and my friend Ritik Kantam, who is the team leader of the project. So let's get into abstract. Demand for OTT content has grown during the COVID-19 and many people who are staying at homes are watching at least one movie or show during this or a web series during this pandemic. One of the FinTroop's clients came up with the idea of helping the audience to choose the best movie or show to watch in his free time. This is basically a review platform, but this is somewhat different from the traditional reviews and rating platform. Not by the means of technology, it is different by the means of idea. So we thought of creating a traditional movie review platform because it has not traditional by the technology. Now about the organization I work. FinTroop Fintech is an extraordinary service-based company because it appreciates the creativity and talent in every possible way. FinTroop's main aim is to develop best ideas into reality. Go live in minutes. With our hard and smart working team, go live in minutes to your potential customers to validate features. We are professionals and good at managing our clients and their fintech applications with 0 second server downtime. Introduction of our project. Our project is to build to a our project is to build a movie reviews web application. But these kind of applications are already available in the market, so it became easy to implement during our project phase. It is already available, but it is somewhat different from the traditional ideas because not everyone can write reviews for a specific movie, but only a few verified critics can write reviews for the movies and give rating to the films. Related work. At first, we started looking at the different kind of good UI based, user interface based movie reviews web platform and started looking at all the functionalities and gained good points on which our websites are gaining attraction so that we have all the functionalities to consideration and made designs as a team leader. I need to lead all the teams like designs, development, even there is marketing team where they will ask for the good points about the developing website because they need to highlight the point that we are offering. Problem statement. Need to create a movie review web application which is very traditional application like a user need to give reviews and rating for a film. The admin need to add film to the list. When an admin adds film to the list, a few authorized users can write reviews and can rate the films accordingly. When an authorized reviews the film or the show, then a mail should go to all the people who are enrolled to the movie rating system. Proposed solution or approach or technique. We are just we are just a front-end development web development team and we need to create an inspirational design which attracts the customers at every point when it comes to design. We need to create a flawless user interface from the design given by the great FinTroops designing team, and we have finally achieved that project completion milestone by learning a lot of things from the corporate world. Simulation setup and implementation. FinTroops team recommended us to use Atom for the development of web applications and really felt best at using that application. At first, we brushed up with the HTML and CSS, and then later on the JavaScript came from nowhere, and it added extra burden to our project implementation. We are confident at every point of time while developing that application. So here are the code we wrote for the front end application. You can see for the division class login wrapper we used all the divisions. Next, so these are we gave passwords, drop down menu for the movies, and you can see this is the CSS. Conclusions with challenges. We faced a lot of challenges while developing the website because clients' designs and needs changes from day to day, and he directly messages to the team to know the development status about the team. As a team, there were a lot of responsibilities on us, and we are pretty confident that we will be able to complete the project in the given submitted time. So, this is the detailed explanation about my project. I hope you liked it. Thank you.